Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kibana dashboards for search analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Kibana and log in to your account. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Click on the Create New Dashboard button. You will be greeted with an empty canvas for your new dashboard. Next, let's add a visualization to your dashboard. On the right side, click on Add to open the visualization menu. Select the type of visualization that fits your search analytics needs, such as a bar chart or pie chart. Once you've chosen a visualization, click Add to include it in your dashboard. Now, configure the visualization by selecting the relevant data source. In the data source settings, choose the index pattern that contains your search analytics data. Customize the metrics and buckets according to the insights you wish to display. After configuring the visualization, click Save to keep your changes. You can resize and reposition the visualization on the dashboard as needed. To add more visualizations, repeat the process for each additional metric or data visualization. Once you have added all desired visualizations, make sure everything is arranged appealingly on the canvas. After finalizing the layout, click on the Save button located at the top right corner. Give your dashboard a meaningful name for easy identification later. You can also set permissions for your dashboard if you are working in a team environment. Once saved, your dashboard will be accessible anytime from the dashboard section. Finally, to review your analytics, navigate through different time ranges to see data trends over time. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your Kibana dashboard for search analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.